Mortgage applications data just crossing the wires. Diana Olick has the numbers. Good morning, Diana.
Good morning, Joe. Yeah, mortgage rates have really shot up to start this year, and that may be pushing the housing market into an early spring. The average rate on the 30-year fixed for conforming loans jumped from 3.33% to 3.52% last week, and that's the highest level since March of 2020 when the pandemic started. But instead of backing off, mortgage demand from home buyers rose 2% last week from the week before. Now, I've been talking to a lot of real estate agents, and they tell me they're seeing much stronger demand than they usually see at this time of year, with clients telling them they're worried that rates will move higher. So maybe that spring demand being pulled forward. Now, the biggest jump in demand was for FHA and VA loans, and those are generally used by first-time buyers or lower-income buyers. That is, those with less wiggle room in their wallets. Purchase demand is still 17% lower than a year ago, but agents are blaming that on very low supply, which usually rises this time of year as houses sit on the market longer. But again, that's just not the case. Now, refinance volume, of course, is getting hit hard. It didn't really move week to week, but it's down 50% from the same week a year ago. Joe?
Thanks, Diana. We were talking about it earlier. That's one of the negatives, I guess. We think about trying to help with inflation by raising rates. Well, when you raise rates, then other costs go up in other areas. So I don't know why anyone would want to be Fed chair. If I were Jay Powell, I think I'd go, you know what, take this job and keep it. I ain't working here no more. But it's tough, isn't it, Diana?
Yeah, I mean, look, you have rates going up. That takes away a lot of purchasing power from buyers when the market is incredibly pricey. Now, if you want to do a little glasses half full on this, you could say that rising mortgage rates might help pull those prices back a little bit, because that's what started them in the first place. We had more than a dozen record low rates on the 30-year fixed in 2021, and that really pulled prices higher because people could just afford more. Maybe now prices cool off a little bit, but will it be enough to make up for the rising mortgage rates? That's what we're going to see this spring for sure.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.